What's good, chat? I'm back with another YouTube video. Pretty much, I just got done trading. It's 9:52. Um, and you know all the rules that I put in my last video that I said I'm gonna follow. I said that I don't care if they're evals. I'm following these rules. Well, I did not follow a single rule that I wrote down yesterday. Pretty much, I pretty much we had triple equal highs above, which is insane drawn liquidity for me. So I pretty much went any reason along. I wanted to see a 930 Judas swing down, then a long, which is exactly what we got. 930 Judas swing down, tapped the hourly gap, swept low, then got a 30-second long. Literally textbook A plus setup. Um, Fortunately, boom, we hit my break even. Actually, no. So pretty much, I took this 30-second long. Um, I got break even here. Once we hit this high right here, I moved break even, got break even, and then we had another 30-second and strong 1 minute closure, which was my re-entry. And then here, I did not go break even because I was so confident these triple equal highs got hit. Then boom, I lost $500. So this trade, I did risk the appropriate amount. I risked $500. Um, but I should have just made break even. I mean, I guess it's different because like if this worked, I would have been like, yeah, there's no way I'm moving break even with these triple Oka highs. I knew that was gonna work, but like since it failed, it's sort of like I'm not even gonna count that as breaking my rules, even though I should have moved break even here because like the fact that we edge it and then come back down is not a good sign at all. So definitely should have moved break even here, but I didn't. Took the loss. Um, and then instead of calling it quits, I literally re-entered this 1 minute inverse to triple equalize, got stopped out, so I hit the daily loss limit on my eval. When I said I was gonna stop after one loss, and said I was only gonna risk $500 a trade, which I technically did risk $500 a trade, but I didn't stop after a loss, which is really what got me. Um, I used to be so good at that, but I mean, I still like the only thing that's messing me up is that these are evals. So in my mind, like these accounts do not matter in the slightest. So just taking like a long period of time to pass them is just a waste of time in my head. But I mean, I'm not like a profitable trader. I'm not like rich, so like I just I say this every time, but I need to be taking these evals more seriously, man. Like I should. So the ideal day is boom, take this 30-second long, get break even. Boom, take this 1 minute long, get break even. Boom, call it a day. Break even. Price action's bad. Simple. We're probably even gonna get a long right here. That oh my gosh. Like so we're in this hourly. If we got this long, this would genuinely be the best trade I've ever seen. But I don't even have an account to take it on since it hit daily loss limit. Looks like we might just be bearish. I hope we're just bearish because if we get this trade, I miss out on it. I'm genuinely gonna just be disappointed. But it's my own fault. It's my own fault for taking stupid losses, getting tunnel visioned. So yeah, I feel like I'm focusing on the outcome more than I'm focusing on the process right now. I think like like a couple months ago, me literally throughout most of my trading journey, I was so good at following my rules. I was so good at stepping away from a loss. I literally followed my rules for like a year straight, I'm pretty sure. But like my trading was just bad because I don't know. Yeah, everyone says like it's mainly psych, but I literally traded a year, perfect psych, stopped after a loss. It was literally just the technical analysis part that I did poorly. But yeah, man, it really sucks. But I feel like I'm not as attached to I'm not as attached to trading right now, so I'm not as stressed as I would be like a week ago. Like 2 weeks ago I was fully attached, so I was like tripping sack. But now like I'm less attached. If we get this 1 minute inverse with the next three candles, just just oh my gosh. I mean, I deserve to get punished by this A plus setup running because I'm taking a C. Also, another thing that plays a big role, a big tool in me forcing stupid trades is because I always see people like PB take these mid setups that I would never take and it runs. So that makes me think, and that gives me FOMO from like seeing the setup run and then PB taking it, but I don't take it just because I'm not the biggest fan of it. Like this long here, I would never take this. Like, I would never take this, but I always see people like PB taking stupid trades like this at consolidation. Like, after a 30 candle inverse, like, I always see people like PB take trades like that. So I just got FOMO pretty much. And that always happens to me, bro. There's no way we get this long, this candle. Like, I'm not even kidding. This has 100% win rate. At least if I call this, I'll be like a little bit cool. Okay, yeah. Oh, we made equal lows, didn't we? We did make equal lows, but I don't even care about those because they're not like swing lows. So this long would still have 100% win rate if we got it. But yeah, man. And nothing's gonna change if nothing changes if nothing changes. So if I keep want to break my rules, trade like an idiot, then obviously nothing's gonna change. So if I actually want to be profitable, I need to be willing to change those temporary emotions that I'm feeling in the moment when I'm tunnel visioned and so eager to just press a button to get dopamine. I gotta just completely change that, completely get rid of that. Also scrolling, I scroll so much and I don't think scrolling helps in the slightest because I just want constant dopamine. I just want constant dopamine pretty much. Um, so yeah. I actually hate trading all time highs so much, man. Okay. So let's see. There's a 3 minute right there. But at this 2 minute inverses, I'd probably just okay, yeah. So I would be in here if I was still trading. We have triple equal highs and low resistance liquidity. So even if this fails, I would never regret this. Um, this is probably a setup that if it works, PB is gonna post it. But if it fails, PB is somehow gonna not even ban I at the setup. But this is a setup that I'd see like PB post, and then I would get so much FOMO for missing it. Yeah, I really got to get off trading, social media. Yeah, I say this every time, dude. Like, it's actually crazy. I say all these things every time I'm in like a slump, but I never change anything. I'm still on trading social media. What was the other thing I said? I forget. But like, I need to actually change these things. Okay. Okay, I'm going on trading social media right now, blocking every person I know. I'm literally doing it right now because nothing changes. And me having FOMO that other people are going to take a trade, me having FOMO of like me going on Instagram knowing other people took this trade. Yeah, I knew it, bro. Okay, I would probably be break even here, but it doesn't even matter. Yeah, if this 3 minute inverse, it's working. 110% it's working. Okay, let's see. I hope this comes to break even. I genuinely don't even want this to work. Yes. Please hit break even. Okay, bet. So I got break even. I'm honestly happier with that. Okay. See, like right now, I'm looking at PB stores see if they post anything. But I need to block them. I already have them blocked on my main. Boom. PB trading. Not report. I'll just block them. PB is like the main people that like take trades I would never take, and then that influences me to take mid trades because I think they took it. And then who else? Low key Jackonomics too. Jackonomics actually just, I mean he's a good trader, but block Jackonomics. Uh, Also another dude. He's not even profitable, but like he loves like flexing how easy his model is. Diego. Diego on Twitter. I always see him on Twitter post these mid long setups, and then boom, block Diego Twitter. Okay, bet. I think those are the three main people. So I should be chilling. Should be profitable now. Just kidding. But yeah, man, it actually hurts how many evals I've blown recently. I mean, I did get a $1,500 payout, but it's like almost might fully be blown. If not, it is blown already. Um, but yeah, just gonna keep trading this Apex eval that's down 1,000 now from today. Um, for next week, gonna risk 500 a trade, so I have room for 2 losses, max 1 loss a day. No ifs, ands, or buts. 1 loss a day. Uh, how can I hold myself accountable? I mean, jeez, dude, how am I more unprofitable now than I was a year ago? Like a year ago, I would be able to step away after a loss it's literally just the eval thing. I'm telling you guys in the chat, it's literally just because I'm on evals I'm trading so badly. Um, but yeah, enough yapping. I'm gonna wrap the video up here. So for next week, max 1 loss a day, and risk no more than $500 a trade. So this isn't over. I'm not giving up. This is not just the beginning, but this is just the beginning of my profitability. So just gotta trust Jesus. Uh, gotta trust Jesus. Got to follow my rules. Be disciplined. Be detached from the outcome. Focus on the process, man. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to join the free Discord in the link in bio to follow my training journey. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.